I've just returned from Wales, where I witnessed firsthand how Dividag smart tankers are helping with a situation that is increasingly impacting a community.
Climate change is a major concern for us. It's a concern for the Welsh Government, and it's a particular concern for people that are managing transportation assets.
The levels in the adjacent lake can change 2 to 3 metres when we have very heavy rain. So that rapid increase and then a rapid drawdown of the water is causing problems within the embankment.
This particular road is a really important artery for not only Snowdonia but the local village and the larger town at the end of the lake. And it's becoming more vitally important to protect its future for everyone to use.
Conventional ground anchor only allowed for manual monitoring. Something else was needed.
The Dividag smart anchor is an automated system. It means that the anchors can be monitored 24 hours a day and flag up if there's a problem.
The idea of monitoring has potential cost benefits over the length of the whole asset's life. There's no doubt about it.
The smart anchor itself is fully accessible by removing the head gasket. This allows for ease of repairs, which can be undertaken without de-stressing the anchors. It's a very quick installation, and it's made very little difference to us as contractors.
Globally at Dividag, we're seeing asset owners moving towards using infrastructure intelligence to mitigate population and climate changes.
The 24/7 monitoring will be a great step forward for us and Welsh Government and the North Mid Wales Trunk Road Agents' commitment to investment in innovative solutions.
I think it's a great concept and I think it's got great potential.
I would recommend, as an asset owner, monitoring of assets in as much detail as you possibly can. You're spending public money on this and we have an obligation to get as much value for that as possible.
Dividag is proud to help more people enjoy this beautiful place.